situation as pertains to the COVID-19 pandemic, we have tested 1,486 samples in the last 24 hours, bringing to total the number of samples tested to 36,918. And from the samples tested today, 21 people have tested positive for COVID-19 disease. And all these 21 are Kenyans. The youngest is 7 years old, whereas the oldest is 79 years old. 14 are male and 7 are female. And 4 out of this number are truck drivers who are tested at the Namanga border. Out of the same samples, 8 individuals were truck drivers from Tanzania who also tested positive and were referred back to Tanzania. 7 at the Namanga border and 1 at Hispania border. The 21 Kenyan cases are distributed as follows: 12 cases from Mombasa, 4 from Kajiado, 4 from Nairobi, 1 from Uasin Gishu. And therefore, this brings the total number of those who've tested positive in the country to 758. The positive cases are also spread out in the estates as follows. In Mombasa, Likoni has 5 cases, Mvita 4 cases, Jomvu 2 cases, and Nyali 1 case. And in Kajiado, 3 are from the Namanga border point and 1 from Loitoktok. And in Nairobi, 4 of the cases are distributed between Isili and Kibra, with each having 2, while Uasin Gishu has 1 case from Tarbo.